Hey there, music lovers. Get ready to embark on an audio adventure like never before with the KMAG Portable Bluetooth Speaker, the ultimate companion for every beat, every rhythm, and every party. Introducing a masterpiece of sound engineering. The KMAG speaker boasts 80W peak full soundband audio drivers, ensuring a powerful, immersive stereo experience. From punchy bass to crisp highs, this speaker has it all. Whether you're at home or hosting an outdoor bash, let the KMAG speaker elevate your music journey. With dimensions of 14.3 by 4.9 by 6.8 inches and a weight of just 4.17 pounds, this speaker is not just portable, it's a powerhouse of premium sound. Crafted with stable materials, it promises durability without compromising on that crystal-clear audio quality. But what about playtime? Brace yourself for up to 24 hours of non-stop audio euphoria. Equipped with a high power capacity super electric vehicle battery, the KMAG speaker not only lasts longer but can even charge your phone. Now that's what I call a musical marathon. And here's the kicker, it's fully IPX7 waterproof. Rain, spills, splashes, it laughs in the face of water. Perfect for pool parties, beach days, or even your wildest adventures. The KMAG Portable Bluetooth Speaker is your go-to outdoor companion. But wait, there's more. Get ready to dazzle with a music rhythm light show. With 10 colors and 7 dynamic light modes, the KMAG speaker turns any space into a pulsating dance floor. Plus, that cool owl appearance? It's not just a speaker, it's a party statement. Double your volume, double your happiness. The KMAG speaker features TWS mode, allowing you to pair two speakers for an even more immersive experience. It's not just a speaker, it's a symphony in stereo. And when it comes to connectivity, our strong 5.3 Bluetooth chip ensures a stable and 100-foot long-range connection. Designed with a handle for easy portability and featuring aux and USB jacks compatible with all your devices, the KMAG speaker is your versatile audio companion. The package includes 1X KMAG Portable Bluetooth Speaker, 1X Type-C charging cable, and 1X aux cable. Ready to redefine your music experience? Don't miss out on the KMAG Portable Bluetooth Speaker, where style meets sound. Order yours now, and let the